It's me again. Thank you for joining me for our math review. Now, last week we talked about sorting by shape, sorting by color, counting what we sorted, practicing that number writing again. We also talked about sorting by size. Everyone did a fantastic job. So for my math review today, I really want to go back to what's greater than, what's less than, maybe what's equal to, and do a little bit more practice with that just so that we understand that greater means what? Greater means more, okay? And less than means smaller or little, right? And we might say which one has the least, which also is a word for less. And equal to, what does that mean? That means they are the same. Very good. And we even have been using our arms to make an equal to sign. Good. Okay, so here's what I'm going to do. I have Uno cards in front of me, and I'm going to hold up an Uno card for the first couple of times, and I want you to tell whoever's with you. So if you don't have anybody sitting with you, go call a grown-up over and say, Mrs. Warner just wants you to come listen to my answers, okay? So pause my video and go find that grown-up. If you do have a grown-up, then we're going to get started. I'm going to hold up a number card, and I want you to tell your grown-up or loved one a number that comes one greater, so one more, and then what's the number before? What's one less? Okay? So if I hold up the number 3, here's my example. I would think, okay, 3, and you can even use your fingers if you need to. What is 1 greater than 3? Put up one finger. 4 is the next greater number. Good. And then let's go back to 3. Now, what's 1 less? So that's smaller. So I'm going to go 1 smaller. And what's 1 less? 2. Good job. Okay, so that was our example. So here we go. Let me find, this is a good number to start with. 2. Tell your loved one or grown-up, what is 1 greater than 2? Good, you can always put up that finger. Go 1 greater. I said 1, so I only put up 1 finger. Okay, now go back to 2. What is 1 less than 2? Less means smaller, right? So I'm going to go smaller. Good. Okay, let's try another one. Here we go. Number what? Good. Okay, so number 5. Okay. Now I'm going to hold up my card, but you tell what's 1 greater and what's 1 less. Good job. And if for some reason I'm moving a little fast, pause my video and take your time. I am not rushing you. All right, let's find a different number. Okay, let's try this one. Right, so we have 1, okay? Think about what's 1 greater and what's 1 less. Good. Your answer should have been 2 is greater and 0 is less. Good job. All right. Now, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to hold up 2 cards, and I want you to answer my question after seeing 2 cards. So I have this card, and this card. Okay, here are my 2 cards, okay? Which number is greater? Good, 5 is greater. Okay, why is 5 greater? Can you tell somebody why 5 is greater? Because it has more. And if we count on our fingers, if we have 3 and then we go 4, 5, there were more fingers put up. Okay, now let's look at these 2 cards. Which one is less? You're right, neither is. What are they? They're equal to each other. Good job. Equal to means the same. Very good. Okay, now let's see. Here we go. Now which one is less? One is less. Why is one less? Good, because it's smaller. If we hold up a finger, we have 1. If we go to 2, I put more up for 2, so that means it has to be greater. So 1 is our smaller number. Okay, let's practice with one more number set. Are you ready? These are close together. Which one is greater? Good. 5 is the greater number. And again, can you tell why 5 might be the greater number? Because it's bigger. All right, kindergarten. That was just a quick math review. You guys have been doing so well with math. Keep practicing your number writing. Keep practicing your numbers. Do your seesaw activities for me, and I will see you very soon. I hope you have a wonderful day. Talk to you later. Bye.